Hello and welcome. Let me ask you this. Have you ever tried cramming an entire novel into a sticky note? Yeah, it doesn't work, right? But luckily, Moodle has the perfect solution for organizing larger chunks of content: the book resource. Let's explore how to create book and use the URL resources to link an external content. My name is Buhari Al Hassan and I am a consultant with Commonwealth of Learning. Are you ready? Let's jump in. First thing first, log in into Moodle and navigate to your course. And draw more. Please turn on editing. You can't create anything amazing without editing is enabled. Now, let's look at a book. Scroll to the section where you want to add your masterpiece and click on Add Activity or Resources. From the list, select Book under the Resources section and hit Add. Don't worry, no library card is needed to do this action. Next, give your book a title. Make it catchy. This is what your student will see, so avoid boring names like Chapter 1 Stop and go for something like exciting, like The Ultimate Guide to Quantum Unicorns, or something relevant to your course. You can add a description for your book, which is an optional if you're feeling fancy, but you can even display this description right on the course page. Now the fun part. Add chapters. After saving, you will land on the Add New Chapter screen. Name your first chapter and enter your content. Don't forget to use the text editor to add some piece, image, links, maybe even a meme. You have got an options. When you're ready, hit save and boom, chapter 1 is live. To add more chapters, just hit the plus icon. Want a sub-chapter? Use the double arrow next to the chapter. Sub-chapters are great for diving into detailed topics without overwhelming your main chapter. Before we move on, let me share some pro tips. Keep your chapters short and sweet. Nobody likes endless scrolling. Be consistent with your formatting to make it easy on the eyes. Use multimedia. Images, videos can turn a dull textbook into an interactive masterpiece. Now let's talk about URL resources. A quick and easy to link student to external content. It is like giving your student a digital map to explore the treasure trove on online resources. To add a URL, follow the same steps as before. Click Add an Activity or Resources in your Desire section and choose URL. Enter the link and add a name, and voila! You have just opened a doorway to the internet. And that's it. How you can use Moodle book and URL resource to organize and enhance your course, whether you're creating a multi-chapter guide or linking students to the latest research. These tools are your best friends. Go ahead, give it a try, and watch your course come to life. Remember, a well-organized course isn't just easier to navigate, it is also way more fun to teach. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit save, have fun, and keep engaging your learners. See you in the next chapter. Goodbye for now.